आता आमी सानेवडा अमित बाब सगळ्या वांगाडी गोयच्या साहेबाचे ब्लेसिंग घेवन आयले. सगळ्यांक गोंयभर चर्चा आसा. अमित बाब तशेंच बाकीचे वांगाडी गोंय वाचोवपाक फुडें सरल्या. गोंयच्या फुडल्या पिळगेक जे गोंय आमी जगता, जे सुंदर गोंय माणकुलें आमचें गोंय आसा, ते फुडले पिळगेक दिवपाची आमची जबाबदारी. सो अमित बाबाचें खरेंच कौतुक. ताणें 5 दीस हे उपोशण चालू दवरलें. सरकाराक दखल घेवची पडली आनी ते विड्रॉल ती नोटीस काडले, डेमोलिशनची नोटीस आनी ती प्रक्रिया स्टार्ट जाली आसा. हो प्रोसेस टील द एंड कन्क्लुजन ते डेमोलिश जाय पर्यंत आमी चालूच दवरतले. वेगळ्या वेगळ्या आंदोलन चालू आसतलें आनी हांव अमित बाबा कडेन मागता, ते चली आयिल्ले मुद्दम आसा, हे उपोशण बंद करपाची वेळ आयली आसा. पण आमचें तें हें आसा, एग्रेशन आसा किंवा हाजें फायट आसा अगेन्स्ट इलिगेलिटीज टू सेव गोवा, टू प्रोटेक्ट गोवा, हे चालूच उरतलें. ही निकती सुरवात जाल्ली आसा आनी हे भ्रश्ट सरकार जें काम करता, इलिगल परमिशन दिता, ताजी खंय तरी नक्की आमी बंद करतले. आनी ही सरकाराक आतां शिटकावणी मेळिल्ली आसा की गोंयकार सगळे एक जाल्ले आसा. गोंयकार एकजूट जावन फुडल्या पिळगेक गोंय सांबाळून दितले ही आमकां खात्री आसा. तेन्ना अमित बाब तुवें खरेंच देव बरें करूं. तशेंच सगळे बाकीचे वांगडी आसा तांचेय देव बरें करूं. सरकाराक आज शिटकावणी मेळ्ळ्या की गोंयकार आतां ओगी रावपाचें ना. गोंयकार नेटान झूज दितले गोंय वाचोवपाक. आनी मारियान बाब ताका ज्यूस दिवन हे उपोशण जे गेले 5 दीस चालू आशिल्ले ताची समाप्ती करपाक.
Marian has been like a father to me, taking care of me. They are the ones who started this agitation. I joined them. आवाज ओढला झाला आमचा मी. So all of them, the way they have looked after me here. Of course the cause was same. We have managed to achieve a lot in it, but there is little bit left. That is the demolition. आणि गोयंच्या साहेबाच्या ब्लेसिंग आणि ते जातले मरण बाब. आय एम गोइंग टू बी विथ यू अँड वी आर गोइंग टू बी टुगेदर इन टू दिस अँड नॉट जस्ट दिस इज जस्ट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ अ रेव्होल्यूशन फॉर गोवा अँड वी विल टेक इट टू अ डिफरंट लेवल एज टाइम प्रोग्रेसेस. देव बरें करू फॉर बीइंग लायक अ फादर टू मी.
खूप गोष्टी जातात आमकां थँक्यू म्हणपाक. पयले हांव थँक्यू म्हणटा सेव ऑल गोवा एक्शन कमिटी जाणें सगळे फोकस घेतला सारके मूर्नांसान उसरो आनी हे सगळे फ्रॉड जे आमचे गव्हर्मेंट सगळे टायम मागता. ब्लेम ह्युगो फ्रेडी वी आर मिसिंग यू हियर. Aruna Bai, Minagri, and all of the members of Save Old Goa Action Committee. A tremendous job. Hats off to you.
This is for people of Goa. This has to go in the neck of people of Goa. They deserve this class.
You are representing Goa today.
It's not just me. People joined in this revolution and the pressure came on the government to do what they have done. And every Goan deserves this gallant. And the activists who started and began this whole process. I've just been a catalyst here. We have achieved a lot, but there's lots to achieve as far as the whole of state of Goa is concerned. So there's lots to do and we will keep doing it.
मग ते ऑर्डरीन किती आसा ते वाचला तुम्ही ऑर्डर?
हय वाचला ऑर्डरीन म्हणला की पंचायतीक एक्शन घेवची म्हणून. पण पंचायत आता एक्शन घेवची पडटली आणि वील परस्यू दॅट.
सुरुवात तरी झाली प्रक्रिया. शेवट पर्यंत आमी जून चालूच दवरतले.
आता जी ऑर्डर आयल्या पळय, TCP has asked that Panchayat should take action and Panchayat should take action. I'm sure Panchayat will take action. If they don't take action, all of the people of Goa will join in this agitation ahead and taking it further to take it to logical conclusion and will not rest till the demolition takes place. I am going to join in the legal battle which will follow from here on for demolition of the structure.
How long you expect Panchayat to act?
It is a process of law. It can be 7 days, 15 days notice. All that process of law will take its due course. But it should not be prolonged beyond anything from tomorrow onwards. Panchayat can take a meeting immediately and issue the necessary orders for demolition or asking for show cause notice, whatever that is prescribed under law. But it should not be delayed anything beyond tomorrow.
You said he will act within the perimeters of law.
Yes, every authority is supposed to act within parameters of law. This stage has come for us to sit on streets and go on hunger strike because the government failed to act within parameters of law. The CM should understand this part of it, that they don't act within parameters of law and they expect citizens to act within parameters of law. This is not done. If you are within parameters of law, teach law to the others. What example you have given in this permission and fraud, as you are saying, is a fact that you have not acted within parameters of law. You have bent every law in the building laws to grant this permission. So don't tell people of Goa that he will act within parameters of law, that he has to act within parameters of law. You first follow law. Authorities should follow law and then tell people of Goa that you should act within parameters of law. These are गुळगुळीत आचार आसता पळय ती म्हणजे लोकांक फासप धवे ते करता सरकार. This has to stop somewhere.
The village Panchayat will act within the village Panchayat will act upon the notice of the JCB.
मातशी तरी लज आसा न्ही आनी मातशें तरी देवाक आनी लोकांक भिता जाल्यार they will act. They did it. They were the first one to do it. They set an example to the government. They accepted their mistake and did it. Government doesn't have the shame also to say we are wrong. They are blaming somebody else. Without all the authorities' consent, this could not have happened. All the authorities which are involved in this have connived together. They have to start a vigilance inquiry right from the bottom till top. Then only you can set an example to the others. Such a corrupt system that Goa is having right now, it is beyond imagination. And it's high time this corrupt system is destroyed. And people of Goa teach that lesson. I think slowly one citizen will rise to that. Slowly one citizen will start objecting to these corrupt practices. And you see how Goa changes in the next 5 years.
You want this guilty to be punished?
Obviously they have to be punished. You can destroy anything else, not the precincts of a church and heritage site and UNESCO site. This means lot to us as Goans. This place, Old Goa, St. Francis Xavier, means lot to us. Goincha Sahib ami beta म्हणून नका. We say this with most conviction because it means to us that way. And if we don't respect that, if our politicians don't respect that, I think God bless them.
Amit Baba, do you think that it will be demolished, the structure will be demolished?
You know what revolution happens? When revolution happens, when you don't respect law, then people stop respecting law. Slowly, when people realize that government is not going to do anything, then revolution will happen. I don't want to say anything about what that revolution can be. But if little bit of backbone government has, they will keep their word in terms of those notices and orders they have issued and say, yes, we will demolish it. Of course, we did not see any backbone in the government until this 5 days of agitation which happened. And poor those 75-year, 80-year-olds who were sitting here in the sun, morning to night, hungry. And I have seen their turmoil in last 5 days when I've been here. Have some shame. I mean, every Goan should have some shame and teach a lesson. If Goans are not ashamed of themselves, no, then they won't teach lesson. So it is first we as Goans have to be ashamed of how we bring back the same people, same corrupt people all the time. And that is why this happens. And time has come. Time has come right. And probably it is the blessings of St. Francis Xavier that we are here today. And we are here. Maybe this is a celebrity. We are celebrating a small victory right now. But it's a victory of people of Goa. In 5 days' time, people of Goa came together. People of Goa came together in this protest. And they have been with us. And people of Goa will come together again to get their Goa back. They want it the way they want it.
Amit Baba, you are an advocate. These people can approach the court?
Why do we need to approach the court now? It's for the offending party to approach the court if they are aggrieved. If they are aggrieved and they go in the court, it should be government's responsibility to defend what demolition orders or revocation orders they have issued. So far they didn't show any bona fides. So far they did not do anything to demolish the structure. Thankfully, because of this protest, things have changed. And I'm sure people of Goa have realized the power. The government of Goa has realized the power of people of Goa. And I'm sure they will not do anything which will harm them any further. There's enough harm done. We saw a lot of politicians coming for the mask, going by the back door and never saying hello to any one of them. At least some shame. Those old people are sitting here. Come and say hello at least. Yes, we'll sort it out. You had no face to show. Not a single minister who said that people gave ultimatum this many hours and I will get this many. Those people also came for the masses, but had no face to come and say hello to them. They are not sitting here because they don't have families or they don't have anything else to do in the world. They're sitting here for a cause. At least small responsibility of coming and saying, yes, we are with you. We are with you, people of Goa. And that's what is lacking in this government and the way our MLAs are, irrespective of whether they are in power or not. Those who are not in power also never came here. You had a chance to oppose government in every form that you could do. What have you done? You are right now only busy manipulating and picking up one MLA from here to your party and picking up another MLA from here and picking up. So only permutations and combinations are happening here for the purpose of winning again and bringing the same corrupt practices back to Goa. I think people of Goa are smart and will send lot of people home. I'm sure about it. I did it.
So what next for you now on this?
Next is legal battle till it is demolished. People's battle till it is demolished. We are going to be with the people of Goa for demolition of the structure.
Now the issue is that the order has been sent to the old village panchayat. Now this issue starts from there now. So would you decide up with the old Goa village panchayat?
I think people who are already agitating are already taking up with Old Goa Panchayat. I think Old Goa Panchayat took the first step. You have to appreciate that part of it, that they took the first step and you should stop working with this. Now I am sure they have realized that it's a mistake and they will do whatever that needs to be done to cover or curate that mistake and seek demolition of the offending structure. I'm sure they live within the precincts of Old Goa and they know what it means to hurt the sentiments of people over here and destroy something, a heritage which belongs to Goa, which belongs to people of Goa. I'm sure they will act in the matter. That much responsibility they should have. If they don't, if they fail, there is law and there are people. Both are together on this. So we'll make use of law and people of Goa to see to it that the structure gets demolished as soon as possible. She had prayed hard. She made a phone call to me, video call last night, and said I am missing you. I am feeling sad. So I said, you pray hard. Maybe God will listen to you, and I'll be coming home tomorrow to hug you. And I think our prayers work. So every child's prayer in Goa has worked today. Every child's prayer. I had so many parents who came with their children here and said, this is the father. This is that father who was there on the newspaper. It's very touching. It's very, it's very emotional thing for me. But every parent today realizes that it's the future of their child which needs to be protected. It's the future of Goa which needs to be protected. And I'm a proud father today because my daughter told me yesterday that I am proud of you, Papa.
Thank you. मुझे कट चलो मुझे लास्ट का फाइट कर रहा है मुझे लास्ट का मुझे फर्स्ट है क्या था एम्बुलेंस
मिस चलता मिस चलता
I am a chocolate lover.
लाइट नहीं है उसको मुझे लाइट नहीं आता और आगे जा गौतम कोई होता गौतम किधर है फाटियो तू फाटियो मेरे तो माइक गौतम फाटियो मेरे वाइट मिलेगा
Thank you to all. Thank you for saving your Goa. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone.
God bless you for saving.
Thank you.
हमने पाप किया है तू थोड़े दादा की अरे बाबा ओए बाबा ब्लॉक करता मुझे मीडिया लाइव तू ब्लॉक करता मुझे लेट है लाइट लाइट वाला कहाँ पे गया तेरे पास लाइट नहीं बोल ले रहे गौतम का कैमरा पार्टी बहुत खुश है गाड़ी के अंदर भी घुसो रे घुसो 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 गौतम को बोल के आप करो आमादी पटेल वही
किरीट मशीन मुझे कालीज खूप दादोशी जातात आमकां थँक्यू म्हणटा थँक्यू म्हणटा सेव ओल्ड गोवा एक्शन कमिटी जाणेलो सगळो फोकस घेतला सारके मोनांसान उसळून आनी हे
आम्ही गोष्टाची आधार चौपाटी बाप्पा लागली पुष्पा वाटसुद्या गोड असलेल्या देव आमचे समुदाय मोगाच्या संबंधात
सोबती आणि हाताच्या सवयीने पाचव्या लोकांची सेवा करून आणि त्याच्या पोषणाने बांधलेली जाऊन जायचा सोबत घेतात. देवाचा आशीर्वाद आणि सदाचारापासून लांब एक संस्था होती. आमच्या जीविताची नियाज करून एकमेकाच्या खुर्च्या घेऊन पावती गावात आम्ही तिथून काढून केली कापणे
because they are fighting for a just cause. We wish that Goa maintains this holiness and sanctity. It becomes a very important place, holy place for all of us. We hope that justice prevails. Thank you.
स्टॉप झालं म्हणून गेलो कधी जाणार कार्ड देऊ कार्ड 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 नंबर नाही सर येऊ ना हां ओके ओके मॅडम येतो का मॅडम येऊ ना दोन उत्तर राव गेला मास्क काढणं मास्क अरे मॅडम तुमचे नाव सांगा ओके आणि प्रोटेस्ट
आम्हीच
तुमचे नाव फुल नाव सांगा
म्हजें नाव प्रोफेसर फेर्राव
ओके
आनी हांव खोर्लेची आनी जेन्ना आमी ल्हान पर्यान आसतना आमी सदांच ह्या जाग्यार येवन आनी लोकली एवरी संडे आमी हिंगासून मिसाक येता पूण इतलें वायट दिसता की ह्या हेरिटेज सायटीचेर हे भाशेन चलता म्हणून तर आमी वोटरांनी हेज्या फुडें बरे भशेन आमीच विंचून काडटात आमकां लिडर्स सो आमी बरे चिंतून आमी वोट करपाचे ह्या फावटी आनी गोंयची हेरिटेज सांबाळपाची.
ओके थँक्यू मॅम. आनी काय बोलता?
वॉर्निंग याकूच वॉर्निंग मिसा घेता वेळ फाल्यां
उलयता न्हू मागीर